Hey everyone, we're out at Fox State Forest in Hillsborough, New Hampshire today, and this is a nice place to come if you want to just stretch your legs a little bit and get away from the traffic noise. It is pretty quiet out here. There's been some logging done in 2021, so we're going to see some of that today. Silviculture can leave some kind of nasty scars for a little while, but Mother Nature heals herself pretty quickly. And in a couple of years, you won't be able to tell that it was ever done, and it'll be good as new. In the meantime, a lot of animals benefit from it, and of course the materials that come out of the forest we use, and it's a renewable resource, so it's all good. So we'll see some examples of that today. There was one section that was harvested. All the red pines were taken out because we've got a problem with red pines dying off due to some diseases, so that was harvested. But it's a beautiful late fall day, and it's good to be out. So let's go take a walk. Let's do it.